A little bonus content here. Went over to check on the road construction over on Ferry Road and see how the bridge was coming along, and wouldn't you know it, on Ferry Road there was a train. Anyway, so let's get to the part you all want to see. It doesn't look like it'll be long now before the Ferry Road is back open, and that commute to Montgomery will be a lot shorter for a lot of folks. I know that everyone is anxious. As you can see, they have the first layer of pavement done on it. There's quite a lot of construction that they still need to do around there, is putting up guardrails and finishing it off. I imagine it's going to be a couple of more weeks before it's complete, and I know that everyone is anxious. Anyway, if you like this video, you like this content, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.